Creating a Facebook business page is super easy and one of the best ways to grow your business online. Today, I will show you step by step how you can create your page directly from your phone. First, open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Pages option. Then tap on it. Here you will find the Create button. Go ahead and tap on Create. A new screen will appear. Tap Get Started and Facebook will ask you to enter your page name. Type the name of your business page carefully, then tap Next. After that, Facebook will ask you to choose a category. This is very important because it tells Facebook what kinds of business you're running so it can reach the right people. For example, if your page is for marketing, choose a marketing related category. If it's for services or shops, select those instead. Once you are done, tap Create. Congratulations, you have just created your page. Now, Facebook will ask you about your goal. If your page is for promoting products or services, if it's for creating content and connecting with fans, choose that instead. Once selected, tap Continue. Now comes with page setup. In bio box, add a short introduction about your business, then add your contact information. If you have a website, enter the link, add your business email, type in your phone number so customer can reach you easily. You will also see a section for location. Enter your business addresses, city and zip code. Then set your business hours. If you have fixed opening times, once all that is complete, tap Next. Now Facebook will ask you to upload a profile picture and cover photo. If you have them ready, upload them now. But if not, you can always add them later. You will also get the option to add an action button. This appears at the top of your page and could be something like call now or shop now. If you want, you can set it up immediately or skip it for now. After that, Facebook may suggest inviting your friends to like your page. This step is optional. You can either invite them now or skip it and do it later. Finally, Facebook will ask you, would you like to turn on notification for your page updates? Keep it on if you want to stay updated, or turn it off if you prefer. Once that's done, Facebook will automatically switch your account over to your new business page. And that's it. You have successfully created your Facebook business page right from your phone. Now you're ready to start posting content, engaging with your audience, and growing your business on Facebook.